So hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how you can create this beautiful effect in which I have added one text, or I have written one text which is having a GIF background. So you can see that in the background of the text there is one GIF image which is running. So how can you set a background image inside a text? So we'll be doing that in this video. So actually this is my HTML which I have already prepared, and I've already added this CSS, but we'll not be going with this. We'll be working with the Scratch. And also this is the image which I'm adding actually. So this is the GIF image. You can also add a normal image if you want, but I added a GIF image because I wanted to add. So let's work with Scratch. Let me just create one more CSS file which is style2.css. I can add style2.css, and I can remove the previous CSS file link, or I can change this to style2.css. So if I go to the CSS file, let me just close this. So you can see that now this text is a normal text. We'll be styling this with our style knowledge or with our CSS. Let's do that. First of all, I'll be giving a body background color. So I can give background black or a little bit lighter black. Let me just choose this one, and I can also add some display flex, so to make the things into center. I can add align items to make this text vertically center. Also the justify contents, so to make the text horizontally in center. I'll be doing that. Also I can add some font family if I want. So I can add for example any font family, for example this one. Also I can set the height to 100 vertical height or viewport height, and after that let me just save it and let's see what happens now. So you can see that this text is now in center. We'll be styling this text, which is my heading. So I'll be styling it. First of all, I'll be giving it a font size of 25 VH, viewport height. Let's just see that. You can see that it is bigger. Now I can provide the background image property. Inside that, I can specify the background image in the URL or the path of the image. I can specify the water GIF, which I have already downloaded. You can use any image here, whether it be GIF or any JPG file. I also have this big.bg.jpg. I can also use that if I want. Also, you have to add some properties of background like clip. You have to add background clip to text because you want our text. We want the image in our text, so we'll be adding background clip text. And sometimes this doesn't work in some browsers, so we add WebKit, and inside that we specify background clip. Sorry, yeah, this one. I can specify text here again. It is for like providing to the support for the other browsers which do not support this background clip property. So now I can also add background size because otherwise the image will not look cool, and if the image is smaller than our text, so then it will create a repetition problem, so we will not be doing that. We just added this contains, so the image contains inside the text. So this is it, and then I can add one color property. Inside that I can specify the color of the text is transparent because we do not want any black color. we want a transparent color so we can see our image there. If I see that now, we can see that this effect is already applied. Now we can see the background image is there, which is a GIF image. You can also add any image if you want. For example, you can add this bg.jpg, which I have, but the GIF image will look cool, so that's why I added that. You can see that this image is not moving because it's a still image. But if I add this water.gif, so then it will move because that is a GIF image. So this is the effect which is happened by these properties. These four properties were the responsible properties to make this kind of effect if you want. So we can use this effect in any website project which you want. This is it for this video. I'll be meeting in the next video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.